What is going on? There's some people in lab jackets, and they're actually behind us here, right? And they're actually they're not dressed up like that, and neither are you for the camera. This is actually like a lab, isn't it?
Yes, it is.
So what's going on here? They're mixing stuff. What are they mixing up today?
We are making a mixture of vomit.
What?
Yes.
Josh, we gotta give them a warning to get to get a baggie close by. Do not watch this without the appropriate equipment. This is the space program. Why do we need vomit?
Go ahead, Mickey.
So what we're doing next month is we're doing a test on a trash bag, and we need to put all the trash that you might have on a space mission in that trash bag. So that includes potentially vomit, as well as diapers filled with urine and fecal matter, as well as food trash.
My
and
gosh.
So what we're doing today.
It does sound like a baby place.
Yeah.
So
what
you
we're doing today, like Bobby said, is coming up with the recipe for vomit. So when we go do the test on the trash bag, we know how to mix it up, how to simulate what we're trying to do.
Now, did you look on the internet? Did you do any research? Like, look up. Has anyone ever mixed vomit before?
This recipe was actually found in medical research, and so we got all the ingredients that we have that we're playing with today. But what we didn't get, like Bobby said, was the actual measurements. And so what we're trying to do is take those ingredients and come up with the right ratio for what we want our vomit to look like.
And for the reason it's important for you is that if someone gets sick in space, I mean, it's a serious business. Because if someone gets sick in space, it's a problem, right? So.
Exactly. We're looking at future spacecrafts that we're not going to have the room to separate wet trash and dry trash. We're not going to have venting on those vehicles. That's going to allow it to take the odors away. And so we need to be able to contain those odors and make sure that the bags and things that we select will hold those odors to keep the environment for the astronauts safe and not so smelly.
Let's see what they're doing. Can we bother them? Or we don't want to.
What we're doing is we're doing the food part of the mixture.
We haven't even distracted them yet.
And so we basically have some pureed cottage cheese, some tomato soup, some apple juice, some soy sauce, and then some chopped up frozen mixed vegetables.
Oh my goodness.
And so those
Look
are
at all
the
that
various
stuff.
food products that were in the medical research. And so we're getting the consistency just about right here, at which point then we'll add some chemicals for the odor.
So this is your, okay, so that you're mixing up the consistency of the vomit, and then, can we talk to you guys, or you're concentrating? Can you guys talk?
Yeah, sure. I think we're about
Show them you can see kind of.
Look at that. So you've got a lot of education, a lot of experience. Did everything you'd be mixing up vomit? They never prepared you for this when you were before? This is a first, okay.
we normally deal with urine here in this laboratory.
Normally deal with urine. Is that your specialty? Yes. Okay, all right, so now what's next? So now you got to get the stink in there?
Well, we need these guys to look at it and
Yeah,
see if they
we're at the right consistency.
What do you think?
I think it looks really good.
How do you know? Like, what do you? I mean, you going from experience?
Experience.
Really? Is that what I mean?
She's fresh out of college.
I mean, yeah. Is that what?
This is what it
We need
looks
some
like.
college kids. Yeah, we're getting inside of there.
Oh, we're inside.
Look at that. So that's. Oh my gosh, I'm getting sick just looking at it.
Anything he's running? Oh wait, you can throw one up lately, is it?
Yeah, I'm kind of an expert.
That looks too runny.
No, I mean, vomit is quite runny.
Yeah.
This looks good. Yeah, there it is.
So now what?
Now we will add the flavoring agents.
The flavoring?
Well, the smell.
The smell.
Yeah.
Too bad we can't get.
Under the hood.
You're gonna do it under the hood. And what are you gonna use for smell?
Well, the recipe that was given us was two chemicals, isovaleric acid and butyric acid. We're using 1% solution of those. And we're just going to add it dropper-wise until we think that it's about right. But
it's going to smell bad, right?
Pretty pungent smell.
So what's going on? We're under. What did you call this thing? The hood?
The vent hood.
The vent hood. And that's to take away the stink?
Not to take it away, but not to let it out.
Not to let it out, so we don't have to smell it.
Exactly.
So
I can smell it. I can smell it.
And you put the chemicals in already?
One drop.
One drop of each one? It's already mixed.
They're mixed together already.
All right. And does it stink?
Step in a little closer.
Am I allowed to smell it?
Yeah.
You know, I have a big Italian nose. See that? You can see it in profile. I don't know if is that showing up on the camera? Help me out here.
No,
you've got the.
What? Yeah, hold that thing for a second and focus in on my nose. Because I think I might be of value to you. See this thing? You don't get these around here in Texas. See that nose? You get it on there?
Let's see. I hit something.
What did you do?
Okay, I got it.
It's not that complicated. You're like a genius chemist. You can't.
I got
Can you see the thing?
Yes, sir.
All right. See, now you don't have a nose. You don't get too many noses like that around here in Texas. You got to go to New York. Brooklyn is where we have specialty. Brooklyn is one of the major exports of these kind of noses. My mom can pick this up from a house in Brooklyn.
If you want to
If
put
she
your
was, I'm
gloves
telling
on.
you, she can pick up. She smells something coming from New Jersey, and we're in, you know, like it's coming over the bridge. Now, shouldn't you have a vomit bag here in case?
We do.
This is the vomit. This is what you're gonna have in space. You don't want this in space, man. You need a.
We'll read
This
the
ain't gonna work.
label on it.
What does it say? Chuck the yuck. What do they do? Do they use little kids or something? Or?
No, well, we didn't want to use our real
You're not gonna
MSS
use
bags.
this. This isn't gonna be your space
No.
MSS bag, is it?
No, our space
It's like
MSS
a-
bags.
This is when the kids
are,
have a
you
party
know,
at
like
Chuck
the-
E. Cheese.
Well, those are designer pregnancy ones.
Is that
we
what they are?
Yeah.
Pardon?
Okay, you don't want to put
All right.
your nose directly over this, so you're gonna hold one hand,
Not big. A Ziploc is more pro. You know, you need the zip.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Go ahead. What
and
is it?
then you're gonna just take your hand over and wave it and bring the smell
You want
to
me
you.
to leave it there, though?
Yes.
This is like those guys with the wine. You see those guys with the wine? Somebody, did you fall asleep with the camera?
No.
Good point. Okay. This is like the guys with the wine. They tell you to smell it and everything. Am I holding up the process here?
No,
You
you're
guys,
good. You're good.
We gotta know what the right.
I don't smell a damn thing. I don't smell anything. You know what it is? It's the smell of the gloves. You get the rubber smell of the gloves, and you can't. I know. What am I?
Well,
Try
at
it
the
again.
same time, the hood takes the odor out as well. So we know that in the lab.
Oh, there you go.
There you go.
That's pretty good.
Smell good?
Yeah, that'll get you going. Actually, I didn't smell anything. Did you really just smell something in there?
You didn't smell anything.
No, I'm gonna try again.
Well, let's.
Oh,
Did
yeah.
you smell it? All right, let me try your. See, you did a little different. What the heck is that?
That's the.
Stink alarm? What? Smells like tomato soup. Yeah, I get the idea. Yeah, that stinks pretty good. You gonna make it stinkier?
Yes.
Yeah.
No one has puked yet, so I think you got a little ways to go.
That's 10. What should
I think you'll know when you're there.
10 more?
So what'd you do?
We had
A lot more of what?
scent.
You have so you really think this smells like vomit now? Before it was just like little baby stuff. Now this is some serious vomit we got here.
It smells like
All right, so may I? All
Go for it.
right.
laugh.
Yeah, okay, I think you got it. Congratulations. So bottle that stuff.
Would you like to?
Yeah. I think you could probably smell it at home. Take a whiff. Another breakthrough for our nation's space program right here.
We can mix vomit.
Mixed vomit.